Welcome students. So in this question, you're given that you have two circles which touch each other internally. You have two circles which touch each other internally, and the radiuses of the circles are 5 and 3. You have the outer radius as bigger radius as 5 and the smaller radius as 3. That is, this length is 5 and this length is 3. From these two, you can obviously see that AB is equal to 2. AB is equal to 2. The distance between the centers is 2. Now, MPQ is the perpendicular bisector of MPQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That is, MPQ is perpendicular to AB and M is the midpoint of AB. That is, this is 1 and this is 1. And now this perpendicular bisectors meets the circles at P and Q, 2 points P and Q. You are asked to find the distance between P and Q. You are asked to find PQ is equal to how much. So to find this length PQ, you can use Pythagoras theorem. That means if you join the smaller circle center with P, if you join BP, so we know that BP is equal to 3 because the radius of the smaller circle is equal to 3. So from this, MP can be written as root of 3 square minus 1 square, that is equal to root 8. So MP is equal to root 8. Now if you join the first center with Q, so if I join the first center with Q, so this AQ is the radius of the bigger circle, which is equal to 5. So now MQ, the total length MQ is equal to root of 5 square minus 1 square, that is equal to root 24. So the total length is root 24, the small length is root 8. So PQ will be equal to root 24 minus root 8. That is equal to root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 minus, and 24 can be written as 4 gets outside. So 4 into 6 is 2 root 6. That is equal to 2 times, if I take root 2 as common also, 2 root 2 times root 3 minus 1. So sorry, there is a slight mistake in the way we have interpreted the question. So if this length is asked, this will be the answer. But it's given in the question that the perpendicular bisector just meets the outer circle at P and Q. That means if I extend this perpendicular bisector, so this point is Q and this point is P according to the question. So if you are asked to find this total length, this is still easier. So PQ will be equal to just 2 times MQ. So if P is this point, PQ will be equal to 2 times MQ, that is equal to 2 times root 24 is 2 root 6. So 2 times 2 root 6, that is equal to 4 root 6. So if I want to find the full length, you can take it as 4 root 6. If I want to take this length, you can also find this length, that is equal to root 2 times root 3 minus 1. Thank you.